Hi, my name is Lucas Hahn, and I serve as the Associate Director of Admissions here at Boyce College. We're so excited that you're ready to apply to Boyce. The application process at Boyce is fully online and easy to complete. To start the application, go to www.boycecollege.com/apply. When on this page, you can click Apply to begin. You'll then be directed to the SBTS Application Gateway. If you're starting a new application, click Create an Account to start that new application. If you have already started your application, you can log back in by clicking Log In. Once you select Create an Account, you'll be asked to provide your email address, first and last name, and your birth date. You will then be prompted to verify your information with a temporary PIN. This PIN was emailed to the address you provided. Access the PIN, re-enter your birth date, and continue. Your next step is to set up your password for your application. Here, you'll be asked to enter your password twice to set it. Make sure you keep the requirements listed on the right in mind as you create your password. To clarify, this login information is only for your application. Upon acceptance into Boyce, you'll receive an email with your new student login information. You've typed in your password, now click Set Password. Now you're ready to begin your application to Boyce College. Select Start New Application. When you do that, make sure you select the appropriate application type based on your academic entry term. Once you select that, a pop-up will appear for you to be able to select Boyce College Undergraduate Application. Now click Create Application. Then click Open Application for the Boyce College Undergraduate Application. With the application now open, you should be directed to the application portal where you can begin filling out the required information. On the left, you should see the navigation panel for the application. A standard application should include 12 modules. As you complete this application, be sure to keep a few things in mind. Make sure you enter your high school and church information, including your pastor's name and email. You'll enter your high school information on the academic history page. If you're transferring from another college, or if you took college classes while in high school, you'll also want to enter that institution's information as well. Complete the spiritual autobiography, read through the student handbook statement, review your application for any errors prior to submission, and that's all. Now that you've completed the online application, be sure to send in your official high school and/or college transcripts, application fee, and have your pastor complete your recommendation. As a reminder, you can access your application at any point to review the status of your application materials and admissions status. Just log back in with your email and password to view your application. As always, we would love to walk through this process with you. So if you have any questions, simply reach out to us, and we look forward to working with you as you join us here at Boyce College.